The lotus flower is a symbol of beauty, purity, and nobility in Vietnam. It is often seen as the representation of Vietnamese culture and spirit. Here are some facts and stories about the lotus flower in Vietnam. The lotus flower is considered as the national flower of Vietnam, although it is not officially recognized. It appears in many aspects of Vietnamese art, architecture, fashion, and design. It is also the logo of Vietnam Airlines, the national carrier. The lotus flower has different meanings depending on its color. White lotus signifies purity, pink lotus shows devotion to Buddha, blue lotus represents enlightenment, purple lotus indicates spirituality, and green lotus signifies rebirth one. The lotus flower can regulate its temperature to maintain a steady internal heat, even when the external conditions fluctuate. This is believed to be a biochemical process rather than a structural one. The lotus flower is used to make lotus tea, a special kind of tea that is infused with the scent of the flower. The tea is made by enclosing tea leaves in the flower or by baking the stamens with the tea leaves. Lotus tea is part of many festivals and ceremonies in Vietnam. The lotus flower sleeps underwater at night and reemerges in the morning, which is why it is also called the flower of the dawn. This symbolizes the Buddhist detachment from lusts, cravings, and desires. The lotus flower grows from the mud and rises above the surface to bloom with beauty and fragrance, which symbolizes the beauty of purity and serenity found in human beings. The Vietnamese people see the lotus as a symbol of overcoming darkness and hardship. The lotus flower has many uses in Vietnamese cuisine and medicine. The roots are used to make salads. The seeds are sweetened to make candies or added to sweet soups. The leaves are used to wrap food, and the stamens are used to treat insomnia and heart problems. The lotus flower has inspired many legends and folk songs in Vietnam. One of them tells the story of a king who dreamed of lotus flowers and then built a pagoda surrounded by a lotus pond. Another one tells the story of a poor girl who was transformed into a lotus flower by a fairy after being mistreated by her stepmother.